Hi guys, how's it going? We're here with another Take and Make Storytime. Some of you have came and picked up the craft kits that go along with this book, and this week's book is a silly book about the letters of the alphabet climbing to the top of a coconut tree. Some of you may have already read it before, some of you may not, but today's book is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. So, here we go. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Whee, said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree, and I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, L-M-N-O-P, and Q-R-S, and T-U-V. Still more W and X-Y-Z. The whole alphabet up the, oh no! Chicka chicka boom boom. Skit, scat, scoodle, doot, flip, flop, flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and dust their pants. Help us up, cried ABC. Next from the pileup, skin knee D, and stub toe E, and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped, N is stooped. O is twisted, alley-oop. Skit, scat, scoodle, doot, flip-flop, flee. Look who's coming, it's black-eyed P. Q-R-S and loose-tooth T. Then U-V-W, wiggle, jiggle, free. Last to come, X-Y-Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. The end. Do you think the alphabet would actually climb a tree? That's kind of ridiculous, but it is a cool book. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like your craft kits that you took home. And if you finish them up, feel free to send us a picture and let us see all the hard work that you did. Have a great day, guys. Bye.